All right, welcome back to Philippi Log Homes. This is a house that we've been working on all winter. We're getting it wrapped up inside. My dad's gonna give us a tour of what they've been doing this winter, so let's go in and see what it looks like. Okay.
All right, this is our latest project we've been working on. We worked on it most of the winter, just messing around, and all the ceilings in here are all made out of basswood, tongue and groove end match basswood. All the walls, partition walls and railing walls are all maple, all end matched, stained, pre-stained. And we opted without the log railings. We did the log or the maple walls because they wanted a little more privacy upstairs. Here's the bathroom here. That's all maple on the outside, basswood on the inside. I can turn the light on here and you can go in and look around. And everything in the bathroom is basswood.
All right, let's head downstairs.
And this is a spare bedroom. We did the same. We did the maple railing, maple instead of the log railings, because they're going to have a bedroom up here with the egress window in. And it turned out to be a pretty nice sized bedroom. The stairway, these walls, gable end walls, everything's maple. All the interior walls are maple, except for the bedrooms and bathrooms downstairs in the hallway. And then that dormer over there is all basswood. We had to leave the log for support. Couldn't cut that out, but. Stairway is all pine that we made, cut on my sawmill. We've got a log railing that goes on this. That's laying over there. We're staining that and varnishing it. All the windows we trimmed out in basswood. The door is just temp, that's just pine, but that's just temped in until we get done here. The gable ends are all log siding on this one.
So what's a shell like this cost for someone who wanted for us to build them a shell this size?
The shell this size is about 30,000, 32. That's set up and delivered.
Yep.
And the rough openings for the doors were delivered within a certain miles, like not to Europe or something, but you know, within a couple 100 miles. Otherwise, it's just mileage fees after that. And this is the hallway. This is all basswood. It's got a crawl space down here, and there's the access hole to the crawl space, and that's all maple inside of there. And then the utility room went with the gas furnace and the gas on-demand hot water heater. And here's the bathroom. The laundry room is where the doors are stacked in there. He's putting in a stackable washer and dryer. And then this is well, you can see the shower stall. The stool is back behind over there going to be. This is the master bedroom. Basswood up on the ceiling and basswood on the walls. Closed closet. Basswood for the trim on the windows. Turned out to be one of the prettiest houses that I've ever built. as far as colors, matching and the stains and colors. Beautiful house, beautiful cabin.
What would you say you got into this place for final price?
I don't know what the electricians and the plumbers charge.
Oh, sure.
I'll find that out at the end because the guy told me he'd let me know.
Yeah.
Because I'd like to get a final price because we've hired everything out other than our work. The log work and the walls and partitions and stuff. And I know what that costs. And I billed him for everything, so he'll just give me a total tally at the end.
Okay.
And we'll have a good idea. That'd be foundation, everything.
So we'll do a final walkthrough video at the end with the final price and what it costs to build. What size is this? A 30 by
30 by
36?
36.
With a half loft?
Yeah, a little over half. Well, about half off.
And the log shell is 30,000. That part we do. We usually don't do the framing, but we're looking for some winter work. So and this was only just a couple miles from our house, so we picked this up to
Help the
stay
guy out.
busy. So yeah, follow along and come back. We'll do a final walkthrough here in a couple months, and we'll find out the total cost of what it costs to build a 30 by 36 log home in northern Minnesota.